by and take a look at the 2020 Blazer. Chevrolet Blazer is fun to drive around town, comfortable to ride in, and decently capable off-road, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, power driver seat. Come take a test drive today.